NDAX Wallet Canada app. The pros, the cons. The NDAX Wallet Canada app is more than a storage solution. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's only for holding crypto. It's a full-featured platform for buying, selling, and securely managing Canadian cryptocurrencies. On the pro side, NDAX supports a wide range of digital assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and several altcoins. Users can fund accounts via Canadian bank transfers and use intra-transfer for quick deposits. Security is a priority, with two-factor authentication, cold storage for assets, and compliance with Canadian regulations. The app also provides real-time price alerts, portfolio management tools, and a simple interface for beginners. On the cons side, fees can be higher for smaller transactions, and some advanced trading features are limited to the desktop platform. Customer support may take longer to respond during peak periods, and certain assets may not be available in all provinces. In conclusion, NDAX Wallet Canada app is perfect for Canadian users looking for a secure, regulated, and beginner-friendly crypto wallet. While it has some limitations for advanced traders, its easy fiat integration, regulatory compliance, and portfolio management tools make it a reliable option for everyday crypto activities.